Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 10 highest rated t-shirt printing accessories. The t-shirt printing industry offers a wide range of opportunities. You can market yourself to business looking for custom shirts with their logo, make custom t-shirts with people's photos on them, or print shirts for stag and hen parties. The possibilities are truly endless, and printing t-shirts can be very profitable business. However, there is a lot of competition out there, and quality is important if you want to succeed, which is why you should invest in the best t-shirt printing equipment available. Many people who are new to t-shirt printing waste money on equipment that they don't need and then overlook some of the most important equipment. To help you out, we have provided you with a list of the 10 t-shirt printing accessories available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the t-shirt printing accessories that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the Sublimation paper. The Sublimation paper is designed to work with all inkjet printers and delivers consistent results throughout the printing and transfer process. It measures 11 by 8.5 by 0.59 inches and weighs 0.70 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Sublimation paper a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: variety of sizes. The Sublimation paper comes in a variety of sizes, whether you want to print on larger materials like t-shirts, sweatshirts, or smaller materials like beanies, hats, and phone cases. Coated finish and uses technology. It has a coated finish and uses technology that transfers 90% of the ink, making it ideal for printing on fabrics, metal plates, ceramics, and other materials. Available in variable thicknesses. The Sublimation paper is one of the thickest sublimation papers on the market, with thicknesses ranging from 120 to 130 GSM. It holds the sublimation ink better and produces high-quality and high-fidelity design transfers. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it is well liked by the sublimation community, but it is a lower-end brand than TexPrint, and it is also surprisingly slightly more expensive. The second t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the Canon PIXMA inkjet printer. Meet the Canon PIXMA inkjet printer, which offers high-volume, high-quality printing at low cost. With just one set of ink bottles, it can print up to 6,000 rich black or 7,700 vivid color pages. Offers a wide range of wireless printing options, copy, scan, and more, all with incredible versatility and ease. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Canon PIXMA inkjet printer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: wireless technology. It employs wireless technology, allowing you to print from any location. Ethernet port. The printer has an Ethernet port which allows it to connect to your network. 5-ink system. Its 5-ink system produces stunning photos, and it can also copy, scan, and fax, allowing you to get more done in your home. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, setting it will take about 20 minutes. The third t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the QOMOLANGMA exposure unit. The QOMOLANGMA exposure unit is used in plate-making applications such as pads, screens, hot stampers, and resin plates. When you start the vacuum UV LED exposure machine with the film on the plate, the emulsion on the plate will appear as an unseen image. For its size, it measures 32.6 by 31.6 by 8.3 inches and weighs 78.7 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the QOMOLANGMA exposure unit a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high-efficiency UV LED light source. It uses a high-efficiency UV LED light source that saves 50% more energy than a standard model. Automatic memory function. It has an automatic memory function that allows it to return to its previous settings. High-quality rubber cloth. The exposure unit uses high-quality rubber cloth for a longer lifespan. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the unit doesn't have the nicest finish, but it gets the job done. The fourth t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the VEVOR vinyl cutter. This vinyl cutter with stand includes easy-to-use design and sign master software, which allows you to cut professional customized designs and signs using your fonts, importing custom artwork, and drawing your shapes. It measures 43 by 15 by 12 inches and weighs 39.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VEVOR vinyl cutter a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high cutting precision and paper feeding precision. It has high cutting and paper feeding precision, which improves work efficiency significantly. 3 adjustable double spring pinch rollers and an aluminum knurling stick. The vinyl cutter has 3 adjustable double spring pinch rollers and an aluminum knurling stick that assists measurement and avoid excessive paper displacement. Backlit display. It has a backlit display to improve clarity and brightness even more. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you need to have a CD drive on your laptop to download the software. The 5th t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the VEVOR screen printing machine. The VEVOR screen printing machine is easy to use and is the ideal for screen printing monochrome t-shirts. It has a body made of high-quality, long-lasting materials and a simple space-saving design. As for its size, it measures 55 by 18 by 4 inches and weighs 26.2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VEVOR screen printing machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Desktop design. The desktop design ensures that the printer does not require a lot of space and does not require a dedicated studio. 2 springs. It has 2 springs that allow the tension to be adjusted to accommodate different weights while keeping the screen frame balanced. Easy to install. The various parts and tools needed for installation are included, ensuring a quick and easy installation. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there is no labeling on the screws or pieces. The 6th t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the Ecotex Emulsion Remover. The Ecotex Emulsion Remover is a powerful emulsion stripper that quickly reclaims screens. It drains safely because it was created with the user and the environment in mind. For its size, it measures 3 by 9 by 3 inches and weighs 1.45 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ecotex Emulsion Remover a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Ready to use. The Ecotex Emulsion Remover is ready to use straight from the container for tough stencils or may be diluted 1:4 with water for removing weaker stencils. Safe on all mesh types. It safely removes all types of photopolymer, diazo, and capillary film emulsions without etching. Proprietary formula. The proprietary formula can handle all the tough jobs and still be safely handled. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't remove the Stay Sharp film on screens. The 7th t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the Gwybkq Teflon sheet. This Teflon sheet is easy to cut, so you can cut it to any size or shape you want, making it a fun experience. For example, it can be used to protect your grill from hot coals, a non-stick over inner gallbladder, an ironing board, and a hot pressing transfer printing pad. As for its size, it measures 16.34 by 1.73 by 1.69 inches and weighs 10.2 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Gwybkq Teflon sheet a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to clean. It is easy to clean and wipe with only a wet cloth. Non-stick and reusable. The Teflon sheet for a heat press is reusable and has a non-stick treatment on the surface. Iron clothes protector. It is allowed to reach a high temperature of 518 degrees Fahrenheit, which protects your iron and workspace. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is a bit thick, so if using it for printing, keep that in mind because that means you have to keep the heat to it a little longer. The 8th t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the Printer's Jack Sublimation ink. The Printer's Jack Sublimation ink is always the best choice whether you use it at home for DIY or in the office. When you purchase this, you will receive high-quality service and embark on an unprecedented color journey with your family. For its size, it measures 6.46 by 4.21 by 3.54 inches and weighs 1.28 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Printer's Jack Sublimation ink a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Anti-ultraviolet technology. It's made with anti-ultraviolet technology so it won't fade in the sun and the color will last longer. 3-layer filtration technology. The 3-layer filtration technology makes the ink silkier and less prone to clogging. Excellent water resistance and light fastness. It has an excellent water resistance and light fastness, allowing it to be kept indoors and outdoors for several years without fading. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is not suitable for Canon printer. The 9th t-shirt printer accessory on our list is the TUSY heat press machine. Teflon is used to cover the TUSY heat press machine, preventing you from burning yourself and protecting your vinyl. It can transfer color sublimation and dissolve printing ink, images, and characters onto ceramics, glasses, and textiles such as cotton, flax, chemical fiber, nylon, and other materials. As for the size, it measures 12 by 15 by 18 inches and weighs 48.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the TUSY heat press machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: thickened silicone pad and sponge pad. The thickened silicone pad and sponge pad ensure flatter and even pressing because of their good elasticity. Full range pressure adjustment knob. It has a full range pressure adjustment knob that allows better controlled pressure. LCD screen. The LCD screen shows time and temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius, alternatively to provide you with precise control of time and temperature. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it takes time to open the machine. The 10th t-shirt printing accessory on our list is the CLOYAN weeding tools. This weeding toolkit can retain and remove different areas of vinyl accurately to help you complete your work efficiently. The package includes 4 sewing rollers, a weeding scrap collector, 2 tweezers, 2 spatulas, a tracing pen, 3 hook weeders, a stainless steel scissors, and all 5 scrappers, a triangular slice, 10 blades, a carving knife, and a storage bag. For the size, it measures 13.78 by 7.87 by 0.59 inches and weighs 12.6 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CLOYAN weeding tools a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 4 sizes of rulers. They have 4 sizes of rulers, including adult, youth, toddler, and infant, to meet your entire family's clothing needs. White application. These weeding tools can be used to remove debris, wax carving, embroidery, cardstock, DIY art, rhinestone inlay, and other materials. High-grade stainless steel. They are made of high-grade stainless steel, plastic, and silicone materials that are durable enough for beginners and DIY amateurs. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is some of the tools look cheap but work well. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated t-shirt printing accessories which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next t-shirt printing accessory roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.